Hello, hello. Let's look at how to set up a global banner. Global banners are useful for either relaying information to users that are using Splunk or using it as identifiers to kind of segment the different instances you are on visually. So to do that, you'll want to go to the settings dropdown, go to server settings, go to global banner, and enable it. And in my instance, I'm going to use it as a differentiator between the different hosts. So I'm going to choose blue on this one, and I'm going to put CM. Here, I'll do CM, DS, LM, and DMC. So cluster manager, deployment server, license manager, and distributed monitoring console. That's all the duties of the server. And I'm going to click save, and that's it. So now I can see this banner, and hopefully in the rest of the videos that I'm making, it's easier to tell what instance I'm on without having to look up here. For my search head, I left it blank because I'll be mostly on the search head, so I don't want like a very obvious banner on it. But on the rest of them, like the indexers in the indexer cluster, I set up the same color, but notating which host it is. And then for the heavy forwarder, I've set up a green banner. So now switching between them, it's very obvious what host I'm on. So that's it. I'll see you in the next one.